Patrick Key here, your favorite sales consultant at Mitchell Mazda. What I have right here in front of me is a 2023 MX-5. We're going to show you how to let the hard top back. Once you're inside the cabin, underneath the infotainment system here, you will find a button. This button you will have to press and hold, so you will press up to let the vehicle's hard top back and hold. Press down to close the hard top and hold. For more information on this vehicle, come see me, Patrick Key, at Mitchell Mazda. We're located at 1222 Rucker Blvd in Enterprise, Alabama.